I'm dirty, man. I've been in the woods.
Have you not had a shower in like how long?
I haven't had a hot shower in a real shower.
Oh, is it warm?
Yeah.
I don't want to like touch you right now, but is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm. I haven't had warm shower in like 2 months, man.
I am. I met up with this lovely crew. I'll spin it around so everybody can see.
Or something.
You don't have to put a shirt on. You know, you're chilling in the back country out here.
All right.
I should take my shirt on, don't you?
I mean, if you want to, I'm not opposed. No, I can't say that because now I'm creepy.
Remember, we can blur things.
Yeah,
so
we can blur whatever anybody
cover
wants.
me up. Photoshop a shirt for me.
Do you guys want to
to?
introduce yourself?
I'm JP.
I'm Ellie.
You guys haven't seen Shane in a while.
I'm Shane.
Shane.
This is my better half. This is Chance. He's gonna show you that big stretch. That's what he does. Yeah.
Shane, actually, I brought the Geyser Shower with me. I wanted to stay somewhat cleansed out here. I offered it to Shane, and he took me up on it. So he's gonna go demonstrate us the. You've never used it before, huh, buddy?
First timer.
First timer.
First timer.
We just blew 2 fuses because he thought that we could run that thing off of 5 amps. All right, I'm gonna go show him how to use this thing right now. By the way, we're gonna do tours of both of their vans. Ellie's van and JP's van. All right, so this is how you're gonna use this. Shout out to Geyser for, providing this for us.
Sponge here.
Yeah, open it up.
I wanted to show the camera.
Well, I've done a review on this already, but now Shane's gonna like actually demonstrate it, which is kind of cool. Oh, you got the soap that I gave you. Or is that my soap?
Yeah.
Cool. So it's pressurized. So now I'm gonna turn this around. You're gonna like see water's coming out already, bro.
Wow.
Don't go all the way because all the way it'll only last the water will only last like 90 seconds or something.
That's warm water.
I'm having Shane on here because well, he's just a more attractive human than me.
That's not true, Jarrod.
Oh, look at that, buddy.
Look at that.
Dude, did you put it on full blast? I told you not to? You did. You did. I was like, don't put it on full blast.
All right, now it's off.
Oh, good. Well, you don't even use the soap. You're just lathering yourself.
Dude, I'm trying to get wet. It's like a pre-soak. Pre-soak in there. I'm dirty, man. I've been in the woods.
Have you not had a shower in like how long?
I haven't had a hot shower in a real shower.
Oh, is it warm?
Yeah.
I don't want to like touch you right now, but is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm. I haven't had warm shower in like 2 months, man.
Does it feel good?
Yeah, that's that. Do a little soap here.
That was actually pretty nifty. So all you did was you just turned the thing and that turned it off.
Yep.
So the pump was pressurized, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, we got some Dr. Bronner's here.
That was actually a gift from the Geyser people because they gave that to me. What are you doing? Oh, you're opening it?
Yeah. It's environmentally.
Yeah, you can give me that trash if you want.
Environmentally safe, people. I'll throw it out for all the commenters out there.
I took a shower this morning, so I am good. I was planning on using this tomorrow, so we're gonna have to put some more water in it tomorrow. But there you go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Look at that.
Nice soapy Shane.
Ooh, that's the rough side of the.
Oh yeah, it's the exfoliating side.
Get the face. Get the hair.
Boom.
Oh, it's peppermint.
I can smell it. I can smell it now. How do you like it, JP?
JP.
So I was gonna use my solar shower for the first time ever, but I think I'm gonna try that instead.
We're gonna have to put some more water. I don't know how much water is in there, but yeah, give it a whirl, buddy.
Especially with the sponge and the way dirt sticks to you out here.
Oh, that's a good point, huh?
Yeah. Oh no, absolutely.
I kind of want to see how your solar shower works as well.
Yeah.
I came for the show.
I could do a
Did you?
demonstration on that.
You just want to see Shane like half naked.
I mean, it's not a bad time.
So I think the biggest plus, besides the hot water, is the sponge.
You want to feel it? I haven't felt it yet. Is it warm?
Oh yeah, that's nice and warm.
All right.
Cool.
I want to soak my balls, so give me like.
Cool. We're not going to get that on camera for everybody. We're going to turn the camera around and
That part out.
no, we can.
Everybody, he knows how to clear a room.
Shane's washing his private area. Cool. We're going to get another shower explanation.
I'm gonna go.
We're going to have the 2 males on because all you creeps out there are probably going to ask for Ellie to be on, but we're just not doing that. So
Not yet. It's too early in the day.
too early in the day.
We Yeah, a couple more beers.
Couple more beers. Are we going to a brewery tonight?
Yeah, we are.
We're going to a brewery. We're not going to bring the GoPro. All right, I'm going to cut this. We're going to wait for JP so he can get ready for the solar shower. I want to see this thing in action because I haven't really seen one. We are in the middle of friggin' no. Where are we? Do you know?
Right outside Bend in Deschutes National Forest.
Deschutes National Forest. I had the camera like way over there. I don't know why I was doing that. One beer in, see what happens.
See?
All right, I want to see the solar shower.
That's
Can you?
super warm.
All right, so how's this work?
So basically, we filled it up probably this morning.
Yep.
And it's been sitting on top of Shane's van and then on the tree all day. And you want to show the clear side to the sun.
Okay.
So then it bounces in and reflects on the black and heats this water up. It holds 5 gallons.
Oh yeah, that's warm.
And it's coming out. So it was just room temperature out of my freshwater tank.
It said you said it was 5 gallons, and have you used it too?
Well, I've used the same one, but not here.
Yeah, it's really hot.
You're wasting so much water.
Oh, I know. I'm
What? What is it? Your first outdoor shower?
Actually, yes. I've only been on the road for a month, and I've been doing mostly river baths. This is my first warm shower as well.
How long have you been on the road?
I've been on the road for 8 months.
How's it been?
Amazing.
Easy on the effing. I don't swear on my channel.
Effing amazing.
Ellie is a also East Coaster, so her and I both swear. But I don't swear on my
censoring
channel.
is really difficult, but I will do my best.
All right,
For
well,
you, fine.
we just won't have her on the channel. I'm just kidding.
You're cut off.
It's just because you have an exotic mix, you know, that actually like to look at you.
Don't tell them what it is. Take a guess. Let's see if they can. Anyone
Well, I have to eventually tell them what it is.
I guess.
I guess maybe turn it to your tour and we'll go over it on
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
we can talk about it on the tour.
This video, they can guess.
They can guess on this
No one
video.
can ever get it.
No one can ever guess?
I think I've gotten 2 people in my 23 years of life. That
Can we tell them it's a mix between 2?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is
All right, so it's a mix between 2, and I've already said it's exotic, so
We'll see what
See what
people
you
come
can
up with.
figure it out.
you're my first van lifer of these mixes, by the way, that I've met. Yeah, that I've met. I'm sure there's many of those mixes out there, but am I sleeping in the tent tonight? Yeah,
Looks like it.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's Shane's tent, by the
Or
way.
the hammock.
Or the hammock? I could use a yoga mat from L, or I don't know, I'll borrow your cat as like a pillow.
Rude. I use him as a pillow. Thank you very much.
Can we take a tease of yours?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. We're not gonna show the whole, do not give me a full tour.
Welcome. This is where I live. It's
Just
pretty
real quick,
sweet.
what do you got? You got a, what van?
I have a 2005 Dodge Sprinter.
Very, very, very nice.
T1N.
And you got
Solid
a
gear.
freaking steal on it. Do you want to say what you got it for?
I stole it for $5 grand.
5,000. By the way,
Yeah.
for people that don't understand, these T1Ns go for at least 15.
Yeah.
I am in love with the color tones, the dark cabinetry, and the beautiful live edge countertop.
Woo woo.
And you did this all yourself, or did you have help, or
I did it. Yeah. My dad helped me with a little bit of the solar, but
you have a shower as well,
I do.
which we're not going to show right now. But
Right.
you have a
I have an on-demand water heater.
propane one, right?
Yep.
That goes off the back.
Mhm.
All right, guys, we are gonna cut this off, and we're going to maybe I'll wake up like super early and wake them all the f up.
Oh gosh, yeah, that sounds great.
No, there's no way I'm gonna wake up early because I don't do that. How did it work out, bud?
Yeah, it was good. Fresh and clean.
Yeah, you feel good?
Yeah.
You look cleaner. I have no idea if that's even accurate,
Wow,
but
I thought you were just tan, but apparently you're a bit dirty.
this is Ellie's van at night.
It's my van at night.
I like the lights, Al.
Thanks. I did them myself. They're the best. Nice and mellow.
This one.
Moose, I'm not sure he loves the blue purple, but
But you were during your tour. You were talking about how the lights are coming through on the bottom.
and here they are at the bottom.
Ellie and I are secretly talking about us working together.
It's true. Don't tell anybody.
This is the problem when you could put a couple beers in Jarrod
And Ellie, actually, also.
and Ellie.
Same thing.
It's my bedroom for the night. I was gonna sleep in the Jeep, but Shane tent camping tonight. He loves the tent. He loves sleeping in his tent. So he was like, "Dude, sleep in my van. It's all good." So I got my sleeping bag. I'm sleeping in my boy Shane's van. How nice of him to let me use his van. I haven't slept in a van in a while. Thanks, Shane. Love you, buddy. Did a good job with this van, right, guys? It's the end of my Bend vacation trip. I don't even want to call it a vacation because I'm freaking working this whole. But I wanted to show off this guy right here, Dave. He gets real awkward on camera, so we're not going to put him on that much. Look at this guy. This guy moved into a shop. Dave, what do you got going on here, boss? You got
this 144 4x4 right here. You got another 144 4x4 right there, guy. Dude, you're building out 2 4x4s. Sorry, my Boston accent came out because of Dave Peabody is from Boston, Mass himself. Yukon, we got Yukon right here, guys. Anyways, Dave opened up a shop down here in freaking Bend, Oregon.
Not advertising, no.
Not advertising. He wanted.
Advertising.
Actually, I came down here. I was not gonna do this. He actually told me not to do a video in his shop, but I said, screw that, Dave. I'm doing a video in your shop. Dude, this is nice. You got a nice big old paddleboard. Look at this thing. Is that a blow up?
Well, you don't live in a van anymore. You can leave it inflated.
Oh, you had that in your van?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that was in his last van. We got the Jeep Ghost 3 right here. I don't know if you guys can see because it's pretty dark out here right now. But I came over here originally to actually tour the company right across the street, Overkill Campers. Can't wait to actually show that tour. I haven't filmed it yet because they don't have a finished product there. And I want to make sure that we have a finished product for you guys because I really, really like them. Although if you want to check them out, Overkill Campers, you can go to their website. You can also check them out on the Instagram, all that good jazz, because I really, really do like their setup. I learned a whole bunch for what I'm gonna do on the Jeep just by talking to JP, their sales rep over at Overkill Campers. Dave is just how long you been in the shop, buddy?
3 weeks, a month.
3-week month? Wow, good for you, buddy. I'm proud of this guy. He's friggin' making moves, getting it done. Which one's yours? This one?
Yeah.
Your whole like shtick is you're making like a pretty much off-road cabin.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Am I on my camera? Sweet. Yeah, so basically a continuation of my old projects. So very high-end woodworking, modular framing, then paired with like 4x4, fully kitted out, suspension system, 31-inch Arcon tires.
Is the one that's outside, is that for a client right now?
That is for a client.
All right, cool. Are you taking any more clients?
To be decided.
To be decided.
To be determined.
He's got a business name. He's got that all set up. Can I say the name or no?
Yeah, go for it.
Pacific Crest Vans. And why is that? Is because loves his through hiking, and he did the Pacific Crest Trail when, in 2017? 2016. How long did you do it? 4 months or whatever it was? 4 months. It's pretty good. And he's obviously he's a big hiker and obviously off-road enthusiast or overland enthusiast. So he's building these. If anything, it'll look like his other van, his first van that he had, but he sold it, and then he went out and bought one for himself, and now he's got a client's 144. Gonna be the love child. He's just saying it. He's outside right now, but it's gonna be the love child, he says, of my van, his van, and what? And Overland's van, Overland Van Project's van. He's grinding right now, so we're gonna cut this. He's actually doing work. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and this guy's still working hard. When you don't have any friends, you just work. Me too. All right, I'm gonna hang out with him, and then I'm going back up to Portland because I wanna sleep in my bed because I have nothing on my Jeep yet. Although, my goodness, that I run into a guy over at Overland. I can't wait to show that off. I'll see you guys next time. Later.